Writers, I know that it seems like you've been working on one story for a while now, but did you know that you've actually been working on two stories? It's true. Strong, small moments are actually made up of two different stories: the external story, or what's happening on the outside, and the internal story, what's happening in your mind. And as we continue to revise our stories, we want to make sure we're developing not just the external story, but the internal story as well. So today I want to teach you that writers can work to bring out their internal story by sharing what they were thinking and what they were feeling. And we can do this by using sentence starters like I noticed, I wondered, I thought. So I want to share with you how I gave this a try in my story. And I hope you remember my story, the one where about the time I left school and I snuck out to go to the corner deli to buy candy for myself and my friends. And so this is the part where I had just gotten to the deli. So I want to first think, well, what was the internal story? What was I thinking and feeling? And let's see, I remember being nervous for sure. And I also remember kind of thinking, like, I need to do this quick. Like, I got to get in and get out really quick. And also, I need to find the candy section. Okay, so let me share with you what I added to try to bring out that internal story. I pushed open the door. Be quick, I thought to myself. My eyes darted around the store. Where is the candy section? I wondered. My eyes landed on an aisle in the back. There it is, I thought triumphantly. I rushed to the back and started snatching candy off the shelf. Okay, so writers, do you see how I did that? I first thought about what the internal story actually was. What was I thinking? And what was I feeling? And then I used some of these sentence starters to help me add that to my story. This might be something you want to try today. So, right now, it's time to make our work plan. Let's think, what is my work for today? What tools do I need? And off you go.